Hello. We are Team Sherman Aeronautics.
We're Astro Systems and we're based out of Chicago, Illinois.
And we are Team Lift.
And it's essentially a high school team with a few parents.
We are max weight team, ready for the challenge.
Well, it's whatever o'clock in the morning.
A new and improved VertSol video submission. Our flight test plan is designed to make sure that I don't get a visit from our friends at the FAA and NTSB.
We specialize in building out-of-the-box, frankly bordering on crazy machines.
You just can't buy one of these drones on Amazon.
The DARPA Lift Challenge pushed our skills and budget to the next level.
And the biggest issue is probably center of gravity. I've moved it away from the center. We have a circle.
And our answer really is to use airplanes.
I would bring them home and have my kids hang on them.
It's kind of crazy.
This was quickly shown to be infeasible.
That's exactly what we should not do.
It has been a comedy of errors for sure.
Most of the time we spend arguing.
Funny thing, I just destroyed the flyer, so I have 2 weeks to rebuild it.
It was its first flight and it took off successfully for about 2 feet and then promptly backflipped directly into the ground.
The thing shot up through the roof. I mean, it took off like a rocket.
One guy came up and showed me something cool. He pulled a possum out of his pocket.
We actually had 2 catastrophic crashes during our flight test verification.
And it was perfect. Maybe we can't say that, but it was really good.
God, the lighting here is terrible. I look like I'm telling a scary story.
Okay, that one wasn't bad. That's good. Is that good?